Hello everyone, magandang buhay sa lahat. Welcome na welcome po kayo dito sa aking Mathematics Tagalog tutorial. Sa video na ito ay papaliwanag ko po sa inyo about absolute value. So ano nga po ba ang absolute value? At how to simplify expression with absolute value. So ipapaliwanag ko po yan sa inyo step by step. Okay, so let's start by defining what is absolute value. The absolute value of an integer refers to its actual distance from zero in a number line. It is denoted by the symbol x at meron po tayong two vertical lines sa magkabilang gilid ng x. Ang basa po nito ay absolute value of x. Ito po, where x is any positive or negative integer or zero. Okay? So, yung x po dito sa gitna ay any integer. Can be positive, can be negative, or zero. Okay? And this is read as, again, absolute value of x. So, according to the definition, ang absolute value po ay actual distance from zero. Okay? On the number line. So, I'm going to present to you this number line. Okay? So, sa number line, again, as a recall, ang middle number po natin dito or integer is 0. Okay? Ito po yung ating basis. And then, at the right of 0 are the positive integers. Left of 0 are the negative integers. Okay, so kukunin po natin yung distance from 0 or the absolute value of the different points here in our number line. So we have point A, point B, point C, point D, and point E. Okay, unahin po natin yung A. What is absolute value or its actual distance in the number line from 0? Okay, so unahin po natin yung A. So ang nire-represent po na integer, yung point A is negative 5. So what is the distance of A from 0? Okay? So here A is equal to negative 5. Then pag sinabi po nating distance, that is absolute value. So if you get the absolute value of negative 5, then that is equal to positive 5. Take note, when you say distance, there is no negative distance. So ibig sabihin, pag kinuha natin yung absolute value ng negative integer, ang lalabas po ay always positive integer. Okay? So how about B? B represent negative integer, negative 3. So B is equal to negative 3. Now, if we get the distance of B from 0, or if we get the absolute value of negative 3, that is equal to positive 3. So ang distance po ng B from 0 is 3 units. Okay? How about C? C is 0. Okay? Ang nire-represent po na integer, yung C ay 0. Now, if you get the distance of 0 from 0 in the number line, then of course, there is no distance, that is 0. So the absolute value of 0 is equal to 0. Okay? So wala po siyang distance. Okay? Siya po yung ating starting point. How about point D? Point D represent positive 3 on the number line. So D is equal to 3. Now, if you get the absolute value of 3, that is equal to 3. So meaning to say, ang distance po ng D mula sa 0 ay 3 units. Okay? How about point E? Point E represent positive 6 on the number line. Okay, so point E is 6. So E is equal to 6. So what is the distance of E from 0? So of course, ito po ay 6. Then, the distance of E from 0 is equal to 6. Okay, so yan po yung ibig sabihin ng absolute value. Okay? So kung negative po siya, then always, if you get the absolute value, then it will become positive. Okay, so let's have an exercises. Write the absolute value of the following expression. So we're going to find the absolute value or the distance of this integer from 0 in the number line. Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 examples. So for number 1, absolute value of negative 8. Okay, so negative 8. So negative will become positive because that is distance. So absolute value of negative 8, that is equal to positive 8. How about number 2? Absolute value of 10. So still positive 10, absolute value of is 10. So that is the distance from 0. How about number 3? Absolute value of negative 11, just remove the negative sign So the absolute value is 11. How about number 4? At number 5, meron po silang negative sign sa labas po ng absolute value. Okay, so ito pong negative sign sa labas ng absolute value ay hindi po kasama sa loob. Okay, so nakahiwalay po ito nasa labas. So ibig sabihin, ito po ay just copy. So negative, it does not change. Hindi po mag-change ito. Kasi po ay nasa labas ng absolute value. So ito po yung negative, ito po yan. And then the absolute value of 10 is 10. So negative absolute value of 10 is equal to negative 10. Okay, the same with number 5. Negative absolute value of negative 7. So still, ito po, it does not change yung negative sa labas. So negative. And then, yung absolute value ng negative 7 that is equal to positive 7. Okay? So here, ang result po nito ay negative 7. Okay? Okay, so how about this activity? Evaluate each of the following expressions. So yung ating pong expressions ay meron po siyang operation. We have plus, minus, and we have plus. Now, we're going to evaluate. So first, we cannot add the two integers or the expression without removing first the absolute value symbol. So, tatanggal muna natin yung kanilang absolute value bago po natin i-perform yung operation. Okay, for number 1, absolute value of negative 8 plus absolute value of 5. So first, kunin po natin yung absolute value of 8 or absolute value of negative 8 that is equal to 8. Okay? So always, positive po yung sagot natin pag kinuha natin yung absolute value. And then plus, what is the absolute value of 5? That is equal to 5. Again, I will repeat, absolute value of negative 8 is 8 plus this one. And then absolute value of 5 is 5. So what is 8 plus 5? That is equal to 13. How about for number 2? Absolute value of 10 minus absolute value of negative 8. So before we subtract, get first its absolute value. So what is absolute value of 10? That is equal to 10. Then minus, what is the absolute value of negative 8? That is equal to positive 8. Okay? So it will become 10 minus 8 is equal to 2. Okay? Next, number 3. Negative absolute value of negative 12 plus absolute value of negative 4. So in this case, again, meron po tayong negative sign sa labas ng absolute value. So kunin mo natin to. So negative po yan, and then absolute value of negative 12 will become positive 12. So magiging sagot po dyan ay negative 12. So ito po yung negative sa labas. Ito po yung negative dun sa sagot natin. At negative 12 absolute value is positive 12. Okay? And then plus, what is absolute value of negative 4? That is positive 4. So what is negative 12 plus 4? That is equal to negative 8. Okay, so another example, we have number 4, negative absolute value of 10 divided by absolute value of negative 5. And for number 5, negative absolute value of negative 7 times absolute value of 6. So unahin po natin itong number 4. So number 4 ay division, number 5 ay multiplication. So again, yung negative po dito ay outside absolute value. So still, may negative po yung sagot natin. Ano po? So, absolute value of 10 is 10. And then may negative po dito. So, the answer there is negative 10. And then, divide by, okay, divide po yung ating operation. Absolute value of negative 5 is equal to 5. Okay? And what is negative 10 divided by 5? That is equal to negative 2. Okay, how about number 5? Negative absolute value of negative 7 times 6. Okay, so again, we have negative outside the absolute value. So, may negative po yung sagot natin. So, absolute value of negative 7 is 7. And then yung negative outside, so the answer is negative 7. And then times, absolute value of 6 is equal to 6. Okay, so what is negative 7 times 6? That is equal to negative 42. Okay, so how about this activity in a question form? Ito po yung ating question number 1. Okay? What is the absolute value of 11? So, in a form of question, ganito po yung question. Ano po? What is the absolute value of 11? If you're going to write in expression, ganyan po yan. So, absolute value of negative, positive 11. Okay? So absolute value of 11 is equal to 11, of course. How about number 2? Find the absolute value of negative 9. Okay, so may mga ganito naman pong question. So the absolute value of negative 9 in expression ay ganito po. Absolute value negative 9. And absolute value of negative 9 is equal to 9. Okay, so how about this number 3 example? Which of the following has the greatest value? So ito po ay multiple choice. So alin daw po dito sa choices natin has the greatest value? So we have A, B, and C. So meron po siyang operation. So mean to say, kailangan i-perform mo natin yung operation na nila bago po natin makita which one has the greatest value between the three choices. Okay, so unahin po natin yung letter A. So we have absolute value of negative 3 plus absolute value of 5. Okay? So, to perform the operation again, tanggal natin yung absolute value. So, yung absolute value ng negative 3 is 3. And then plus absolute value of 5 is 5. So, 3 plus 5 is equal to 8. How about letter B? Absolute value of negative 5 minus absolute value of negative 6. So, unahin po natin itong una. Absolute value of negative 5 is equal to 5. Then, minus absolute value of negative 6 is equal to 6. So what is 5 minus 6? That is equal to negative 1. How about letter C? Absolute value of negative 10 divided by absolute value of 2. So yung absolute value of negative 10, that is equal to 10. Then, i-divide natin yung absolute value ng 2 is equal to 2. So what is 10 divided by 2? That is equal to 5. So ito po yung naging result if you're going to perform the operation. So the question asks for the greatest value or which one has the greatest value. So 8, negative 1, positive 5. So alin po dito yung pinakamataas? Ang pinakamataas po ay itong letter A kasi ang kanya pong value ay equal to 8. Okay, so let's have an exercises. Write the absolute value of the following expressions. Ito po ay 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Please, kung umabot ka sa video na ito, sa part ng video na ito, please answer kung natuto ka po sa video, sa aking pagpapaliwanag. At ang sagot po ninyo ay pwede po ninyong i-comment sa ating comment section dito po sa baba ng video. Salamat sa kaibigan. Kung natuto ka sa video na ito, at nagustuhan mo, please click like and then subscribe kung bago ka pa lang dito sa aking channel.